Welcome to Careers2Classrooms, where the future of education meets the future of work. At Careers2Classrooms, we bridge the gap between academic learning and real-world careers. Our program is designed to provide hands-on experience for educators, giving them the tools they need to connect classroom learning with practical and tangible career paths. Imagine a classroom where every lesson comes to life, where teachers can confidently speak about various industries, and where students are inspired to dream big and achieve their career aspirations. That's the vision of Careers2Classrooms. But how do we make this vision a reality? We do so by using our unique partnerships with forward-thinking businesses across various industries. Our business partners open their doors to educators, offering immersive, hands-on experiences that showcase the ins and outs of their operations. From tech firms to manufacturing plants, healthcare providers to creative agencies, these experiences provide invaluable insights into the skills, technologies, and on-ramps into those fields. By stepping into these professional environments, teachers gain first-hand experience and knowledge they can bring back to their classrooms, all while earning 3 graduate credits. With this enriched understanding, educators can design more relevant and engaging curricula, introduce students to a wider array of career possibilities, and provide targeted guidance that aligns with each student's interests, aptitudes, and passions.
I think being able to see ways that we can provide a number of opportunities for students to imagine their future is really, really powerful.
For our partner companies, Careers2Classrooms offers the unique opportunity to shape the future workforce. By participating in our program, these companies help create a pipeline of well-informed, motivated future employees who are already familiar with their industry and its expectations, creating endless networking opportunities.
So what we're learning today is that there is a real need for businesses to think differently about how they hire and how they build pipelines to employment with our local schools in the community. Our schools are doing great work, and it's really on us to think about how we can work with the educators to create pathways to success within our fields.
It's a win-win situation. Educators gain the experience they need to connect their content and inspire their students, and companies gain early access to a pipeline of potential future talent. Careers2Classrooms, shaping futures one student at a time.